Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Supabase storage for user uploads in no-code apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Supabase account at Supabase.io if you don't have one already. Once you're logged in, create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Enter the required details such as your project name, organization, and database password. After setting up the project, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, find and click on the Storage tab located in the left sidebar. Click on the New Bucket button to create a storage bucket for user uploads. Enter a name for your bucket, such as User Uploads, and ensure it is public or private based on your needs. After creating the bucket, you can configure permissions by clicking on the Policies tab for that bucket. Set up row-level security and define the policies that ensure users can only access their own files. Now, move to the API section to get your storage API endpoint and the necessary credentials. Make a note of your project URL, service role key, and a non-key for later use. Next, integrate Supabase into your no-code app platform, such as Webflow or Adalo. Add the Supabase libraries to your project according to the platform's instructions. Now configure the file upload component in your no-code app. Connect the file input to your Supabase storage by using the proper API endpoint and keys. Ensure you test the upload functionality to verify that files are being saved correctly. After confirming uploads work, consider setting up notifications or triggers for users once their files are uploaded. Finally, review and test your entire user upload workflow to ensure it runs smoothly and meets your app's requirements. You're now ready to implement user uploads in your no-code application using Supabase storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.